Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like, share. Thanks. Okay. Come to the problem. See here, a system is shown in figure. So this system can generate the AM signal. Okay. So here M of t is given as modulus signal and cos of 2 phi f naught is the carrier signal. So these two signals are here add up. This is the summing point. The whatever the output, that is called as x of t. Okay. Next, this x of t is given as input for the non-linear device. So for this non-linear device, it is a memoryless system. Here the output and input relation is given as y of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into x square of t. In the next stage, y of t is given as input for the band pass filter. So in this band pass filter, the center frequency is given. So whatever the frequency having f naught, so that will be allowed as output for the band pass filter. So the resultant signal is nothing but AM signal. So for that AM signal, if we consider that the modulation index of that AM signal is 0.8. So for the output signal, AM signal, consider the modulation is 0.8 and A is equal to 15 and M of t is equal to 3 into cos of 2 phi under t. Then what is the value of B? So this is a question. So first of all, calculate the x of t. X of t means sum of these two signals, that is M of t plus cos of 2 phi f naught t. So this x of t is given as input for non-linear memory system. So this is equation 1. Okay. Now for non-linear system, the input output relation is given as y of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into x square of t. This is equation 2. Now substitute 1 in 2. Then we get y of t is equal to a into x of t means m of t plus cos of 2 phi f naught t. So m of t plus cos of 2 phi f naught t plus b into x square of t. So that is m of t plus cos of 2 phi f naught t square. Okay. By simplifying this equation, then we get a into m of t plus a into cos of 2 phi f naught t plus b into m of t, m of square of t plus cos of 2 phi f naught t square, that is plus 2 into m of t into cos of 2 phi f naught t. Still by simplifying it, we get a into m of t plus a into cos of 2 phi f naught t plus b into m square of t plus this can be written as, this is cos square theta. So this can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. A theta means 2 phi f naught of t. Okay. From that 1 plus means b into cos of 2 phi means 4. So that is 4 phi f naught t by 2 plus 2 into 2b into m of t into cos of 2 phi f naught t. Okay. So from this is the y of t signal. So this is given as input for band pass filter. Band pass filter allow only the signal which have the frequency f naught. So from when you observe this function, so a into cos of 2 phi f naught t. So this signal having frequency f naught, and again 2b into m of t into cos of 2 phi f naught t. So this signal also having frequency f naught, but here 2 phi f naught means 2 phi into 2 f naught t. Okay. So this signal having frequency 2 f naught. So this is not to be selected. Only these two signals will be selected as output at the band pass filter. So the output signal can be written as, that is p of t is equal to a plus 2b into m of t into cos of 2 phi f naught t. So bring a common here, a into 1 plus 2b by a into m of t into cos of 2 phi f naught t. So this is the AM signal. So here, but here one condition given is that. So m of t is given as 3 into cos of 2 phi into 100t. So that is a into 1 plus 2b by a. So m of t can be replaced with 3 into cos of 2 phi into 100t into cos of 2 phi f naught t. So this is in the standard form of AM signal, that is AC into 1 plus mu into m of t into c of t. Okay, so this is the carrier signal, and this is the mesh signal, and this is nothing but modulation index, but modulation index is given as 0.8 and a value is given as 15. So now substitute here, that is mu is equal to how much we are getting here, so 6b by a. So 6b by a is given as 0.8. From this we get b is equal to 0.8 into a by 6, but a is given as 15. Okay, so substitute here, b is equal to 0.8 into 15 by 6. So by simplifying this we get b is equal to 2. Okay, so the b value is 2 for the given problem, and this is the procedure for getting the answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit like the video. Thank you.